In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to conduct an ANOVA test in Google Sheets. This process will help you analyze variance within your data, which can be crucial for understanding differences between groups and making informed decisions based on statistical data. To get started, the first thing you'll need is a Google Sheet opened up and ready for action. Once you have your sheet open, you'll want to look towards the top menu and click on Get Add-ons. This will allow us to enhance the functionality of Google Sheets by adding necessary tools for our analysis. A new window will open, displaying the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the search bar of this window, type in Excel Miner and hit Enter. Now you should see a list of results. Look for the Excel Miner Analysis Tool Pack and click on it. This add-on will provide us with the tools needed to perform our ANOVA test. Next, you'll see an installation option. Go ahead and click on Install. A prompt might appear asking for confirmation or additional permissions. Just click Continue. You'll need to sign in with your Google account to proceed. Choose your email address from the provided list, and then click on Continue once more. After this, a permissions pop-up will show up. It's essential you read through the permissions before you click on Allow to grant the necessary access. After allowing access, click on Done to complete the installation process. You can now close this window and return to your Google Sheets. With the Excel Miner Analysis Tool Pack installed and ready to go, click on Extensions in the top menu of your sheet. You'll now see Excel Miner available in the drop-down menu. Click on it and then choose Start from the options. This action will initialize the tool for use. Now, let's set up the ANOVA test. You'll need to specify your input range, which represents the data you want to analyze. Click on the ANOVA single factor option within Excel Miner and enter B1D6 as your input range. Please ensure that your data is formatted similar to this range, with your variables across the columns and the data in rows. Don't forget to select the checkbox labeled Labels in First Row if your first row contains category labels. For the output, type F1 in the Output Range field to specify where you want the results of the analysis to appear in your spreadsheet. Finally, once everything is set, click OK. The tool will process your data and display an ANOVA output in the specified output range. This output provides a comprehensive statistical analysis, allowing you to interpret the significance of your data effectively. With these steps completed, you've successfully conducted an ANOVA test right within Google Sheets. Thank you for tuning in, and happy analyzing.